below, guys. Hope you are all will be good. My today's video is about matte lipstick, and in this video we are going to make matte lipstick at home with natural ingredients at home, so it will be handy for all kinds of lips in all weather. So keep watching this video till end. First of all, it's my humble request for my new viewers, please subscribe my channel to see more videos. So viewers, let's start our video. Viewers, matte lipstick is the raising lips items. It looks stylish, excellent on your lips anywhere in all occasions and at any time. You will find lots of choices in color. Finding the right tendency is quite difficult. Even when you find the perfect tone, you might not find it in the market. So, the best alternative is to make homemade matte lipstick. This will help you in having your favorite tone. And since you will be making it with natural products, it will be healthy and relatively cheaper than the one found at your local beauty shop. Ingredients required to make your own matte lipstick are 1 teaspoon Vaseline or petroleum jelly or beeswax, 1 teaspoon oil, coconut oil, vegetable oil, olive oil or baby oil, 1 teaspoon shea butter or cocoa butter, 1/4 teaspoon bentonite clay, for the matte texture. A small round container. For color, you can either use eyeshadow or you can pick other natural alternatives such as red, 1/8 teaspoon of beetroot powder or 1 drop of natural red food coloring. Mix Vaseline with cocoa butter and oil. Add beetroot powder as much as to achieve the desired hue. The best thing is that you can experiment by adding different ingredients in different amount to achieve lots of light and dark shades. Now add the bentonite clay to the mixture to achieve the matte texture in your lipstick and mix it well. If you have used the Vaseline or petroleum jelly, then simply transfer the mixture in the container and your matte lipstick is now ready to use. But if you have used the beeswax, then your lipstick is still in liquid state. Pour it in the container such that it is a little below the top. This is because the lipstick will expand as it cools down. Store the matte lipstick in a cool place, that is under 80 degrees, or else it will soften, and that's it. Now you have your own lipstick ready to use. So guys, this was my today's video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please like my video, share with friends and subscribe my channel to see more videos. If you have any question and query about this video, you can write in comments or mail me at my email address. I must reply at the earliest. Thanks again, thanks for watching this video. Take care, bye bye.